Hey, you got a minivan? Want to go camping? Don't like using tools? I got you. Let's do it. All right, this is what you're going to need. Pause this, screenshot it, and then we will come back to it later. Let's go. Now, this is where you're going to set up those two plastic Sterilite drawers. And then we're going to put that board right across the top. And this is going to give you all the storage that you need. You can put your food, your clothes, your camping equipment, everything that you're going to need for your trip back here. And this is a really common cooler size. So just find one you like and stick it in between. And there you go. There's your little perch. You can plug yourself in out on a beach, in a forest, anywhere you want. And then you'll have a little roof over your head to boot. Now for your privacy divider between the front and back, you're going to take a piece of flat aluminum bar and just press it, mold it up against the ceiling, and tuck either end into the top of that plastic column where your seat belts come out of. And that hardware where the seat's attached to the floor is a little hard on the knees, so I just covered it with a rug. And here's where that folding mattress is going to come in. If you get the folding type, you have a place to sit. And then at night, you unfold it and you have this really luxurious, huge sleeping area where you can spread out, toss and turn, and just be so comfortable. And, make it your own. This is your escape pod. Add some decorative things, some functional things, but you don't have to be roughing it. Add some cute little lights, stick them in the cup holders, get a cute fake plant. Add a little bunting, anything that makes it cute and homey. And speaking of comfort, I keep this Goal Zero electric generator, this little power pack in my vehicle, and I keep it charged up during the day by this solar panel that is mounted to the roof of my minivan. And then I can do things like run this little swamp cooler that I got off of Etsy. I'll leave the link in the description below, but you just fill it with ice and this little fan pushes cold air out and it works like a charm. So that's it. That is the easiest no-build van build you're going to find on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, stay safe, stay wild, and wander often.